Hey, here I am, Shannon, lost in Costa Rica. We're making some rum over here, but meantime, I want to show you this kind of thing we do. Hey Google, volume down. So I came up with a way of making sort of mugs or cups out of coconut. So here's a what we call a pipa here. We buy these for like about 60 cents, and put a straw in there and drink all the juice out, and then it's kind of trash. So you basically take this guy and you cut it in two places. Cut it right there, and this is where the eyes are normally. Eyes are here, so you just cut that part off, and it becomes a handy base. And then it's just a matter of sort of leveling them up like that. Taking a glue gun, going around, and that's it. So handy dandy coconut bowl. This one I'm making a jumbo bowl. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I don't know. Cook shrunken heads in there or something. I don't know. We'll see.